Hi, my name is Tiana. I'm here with Dr. Vander Doelen from Athletes Care. We just have a few questions. We were just wondering, when you're working with a patient or an athlete in Athletes Care, how often do you see a player or see a patient? Like, how often do you suggest that they come in?
It's all sort of patient and athlete specific, based on whether their injury is acute or whether it's a chronic issue, as well as what their goals are. So if they're in off-season training and they need to perform at their best every single day with training, then I may need to see an athlete, 2-3 times a week. Whereas, with some of the other patients that are dealing with more of a chronic thing, it may involve giving them a little bit more homework to do on their own, and they'll see me, a little bit less frequently for kind of tune-up. So
Right.
it's all patient and athlete specific and based on their injury and what we find in the assessment.
Right. So what does one treatment comprise of? Like, what do you do in one single treatment?
Yeah, so initially I want to assess that athlete or patient and figure out what their issue is. Is this something that's a muscle issue? Is this a movement-related issue? Is there joint involvement? And then basically go from there. Use whatever tool is necessary to treat that issue. So whether it's soft tissue work, active release technique, or whether we use acupuncture or electroacupuncture, it's very injury specific, and we use whichever tool is kind of necessary to deal with whatever tissue is involved.
So, like, it depends on the patient and the athlete, like, what their injury is.
And the injury as well,
Yeah, exactly.
for sure.
So we know that Athletes Care uses kind of like a team approach. How is that beneficial for the patient or the athlete?
Definitely a team approach.
Yeah.
We're constantly in communication with strength coaches, sports medicine physicians. We're looking to provide a complete package for that player so that no stone is left unturned,
Right.
and we can basically provide a great treatment plan and protocol for every player. With that being said, there's constant communication between each individual team member on a daily basis to help that athlete get back to training and playing as best as possible.
Great, thank you very much. For more information on treatment, please visit athletescare.com.